Hey guys, welcome to SMA-Trendz. Today we're going to be making super healthy, super easy, and super yummy masala roti. It takes about 10 minutes and it's super good. So you're going to add half cup of grated bottle gourd, and then you're going to add crushed green chili and coriander. Then you're going to add some cumin seeds, a lot of ingredients in here, some salt, obviously, and some ginger garlic paste to give it a little bit of that flavor, and then you're going to mix it all together. Make sure to mix it nicely. You have to mix it completely. Then you're going to add 1 cup of Jowar Flour. So make sure to mix this in nicely too. This will be our dough for roti. Now it may seem crumbly like this, so you're going to add half cup of warm water. Gradually add it in as you're mixing. So eventually it'll be something like this, dough. So you're going to turn it into a nice smooth dough, and it's going to be like around probably a lemon size, a really big lemon. So once you're done, you're just going to keep mixing again and again because you want to keep kneading that dough. And then you're going to take a small bit of that dough, which really is a small normal lemon size, and you're going to spread it on a butter sheet. So this is going to be our roti. You just put it in the smack dab in the middle of the butter sheet, and you're going to use wet hands. You can use oil or water, and you're going to make it thin, nice and thin like this. Then you're going to sprinkle sesame seeds for a little extra flavor. Make sure to pat them in, and make a tiny little hole in the middle. I don't know why you do this, but you do. And then add a little oil on the pan and put it on a hot pan and cook it for half a minute, literally 30 seconds. So yeah, it's very quick. Make sure to flip it too. So just put it on and slowly take off the butter sheet. It'll look like this. And boom. So make sure to add a couple more sesame seeds on the other side as well, and watch it roast. Then before you flip it, put a little bit of oil onto the other side and flip so that it can roast on both sides. So once it's roasted, it should look like this, crunchy, and in some areas it should be golden brown and completely sprinkled with sesame seeds. And you're done. Serve and enjoy. It is super yummy, super healthy, and goes really good with potato curry. So make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy this super delicious treat. Bye! Thanks for watching!